The F1 E1 air coat error in a Maytag washer indicates a malfunction in the appliance's control board. This issue can be caused by several factors, including air in the inference filter connections or a faulty appliance control unit. To resolve the problem, start by rebooting the washer. Switch off its circuit breaker. Wait for a minute, and then reconnect it to power to see if the error message persists. If the issue remains, check the inference filter connections by turning off the washer, disconnecting it from power, and removing the top panel to inspect the connections. Ensure they are secure and fully inserted. Then unplug and reconnect them after a minute to test the washer again. If the error continues, use a voltmeter to test the appliance control unit. Set the voltmeter to AC and check the voltage at the inference filter's output and input, as well as the line voltage to the unit across the first two pins of the connector. If there is no reading, inspect the connection between the unit and filter. Additionally, check the unit's LED for a blinking response from the microcontroller. If the response is absent, replacing the unit may be necessary to resolve the F1 E1 air coat error.